Yeah, send me. Send me, send me. Hey guys, I'm really sorry. There's a network issue, so cutting.
Hey, there you
Yes,
go.
yeah.
Finally.
Finally, yes. Our today's guest, Mrinal Thakur. So, how are you, Mrinal?
I'm fantastic. I'm super excited, Rashmi. I'm so glad I'm doing this with you. And I'm really
Mrinal,
happy
one
that I'm seeing
request.
your face of.
What?
Yes.
I can't see you properly. There's some network issue, I think.
Wait,
Yeah, now it's better. Now it's better.
is it better now?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Today is my first episode of the RD show, and I'm really excited that I'm with you and started it with you. Uh,
I'm
I'm not a
obliged.
proper
Thank
proper
you.
host, so yeah, let's just talk about your journey. I really wanted to know that from Nasik, from Nasik as a college student, you started your TV journey, and then TV journey to such a big film star now. So,
Yeah,
what is your next plan? I really want to know, and I think we all
Rashmi,
are really excited. And whatever the question today I'm going to ask you, they all are from your fans.
lovely. Thank you for having me, Rashmi. It's wonderful to, be here on your chat show. Also, to begin with, my journey isn't easy. Since childhood, I've always met people who always told me that you will not be able to do that. You will not be able to do this. And I always took all of that as my challenge. And I was like,
Mhm.
okay, if I can't do it, let me show you how. So it took some time, it took some while, but I never gave up. The best part is the fact that I changed like 11 schools because of my father's job. That kind of allowed me to observe and learn from people. So not necessary that, you just go out there and just talk about yourself, although it's about you learning about people and from your experiences.
Yeah.
There was some time where, there was a time where I was ragged in school. People used to make
Really?
fun of me because I had boy cut, I had short hair. Uh, Rashmi, trust me, all that did affect me big time, but I always invested that, in a positive way. So I made
That,
sure
that's,
that
that's awesome.
I just smile and I just show them what I've got.
Oh my God. I must say that you're absolutely fearless, and I've always seen you like that. I never told you this, that you're actually fearless. You don't get scared of even of any small situation. You don't even get scared who's standing in front of you. What you feel that it's right, and then here you go. मैं मृणाल ठाकुर हूँ और वो मुझे सही लगेगा मैं करती हूँ. So
Exactly,
that's I
Rashmi.
think.
I get that strength from you. Honestly, I'm glad that we spent some time, back in 2015, and the fact that I came across with such strong personalities in my life. So it makes a huge difference of, those people who are there in your life, they make a huge difference of who you are. So I think today the kind of person I am, it's probably because of my mom and dad. My journey when I started my television journey, Supriya Shukla, Sriti Jha, Taneja, Shabir, and it's been a wonderful journey, yaar. Like Madhu Dadi is somebody who inspires me every now and then. At this age, she drives her own car. She bit cancer, and not
Yeah.
just that, but she's working and she loves doing it. So I kept questioning myself, if a woman who's like 70 plus can drive her car to set, why can't I? So I just
Wow.
decided to sit in the car and have Arjit next to me, and I said, just guide me if I'm going wrong. And
That's
within 3 to 4 days, I learned how to drive.
That's amazing. Really? That's how you learned. So basically, it's Arijit who taught you car driving or kahin seekhne ki तरह. So I'm sure that accident तो किया ही होगा थोड़ा बहुत. You can tell us.
No, no, no. Everything was safe. He was there with me. So Arjit all made sure that I drive on the extreme left corner and I'm extremely focused. So blessed.
That's great. I actually had few questions. Let's begin with our question now first. I think. Really, I had one question from you. That
Mm-hmm.
अभी recently you आपकी ghost story जो release हुई थी, and then you, Karan Johar, and Avinash went some interview, and Keto has said something, uh, we should always have ready with three different ideas. What is it exactly?
You should be ready with three different ideas.
Three different ideas. Recently, in some one of your interview.
Well, what I was trying to say is, Rashmi, you need to come up with three plans. Okay? Like, be it like as an actor, when I reach on set, I look at a scene in three different various ways. And
Uh-huh.
something that interests me is the fact that when the director does the choreography in a way that be the fourth way, which I never thought about. So I be like, wow, this is a different way of looking at it. So people say, no, you need to have plan A, you need to have plan B. But always remember, your plan B needs to be stronger than plan A
Right,
because there
right.
is no looking back. It's like once you jump a well, you just jump it. You can't be hanging halfway through.
True. You truly a solid woman, man. मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी that with your decision and your choices, you have always had clarity in your life. And one one pattern in your life, I've always noticed that you're very, very disciplined. Whatever you're doing, if you're not convinced with it, you don't do it. And
Yes.
you very clearly and beautifully say no to it and withdraw yourself from there. But the kind of films you're doing, like
Hmm.
Super 30, Love Sonia, and
Hmm.
Butler House, they
Hmm.
all are reality based films.
Yeah.
Like you choose only script like that, or it's just by chance it happened?
No, I think it's both way. It's also manifestation. What you manifest is something that, it is right there. The opportunity is right there. You need to grab it. So, Rashmi, I realize that you and I, as an actor, we have this powerful weapon is called acting, which can reach to different audience, just not in India, but all throughout India, all throughout the world. So I think through this, we could be the voice to many voiceless people. And
Oh,
trust me, in the process, you learn so many things like the kind of things that I have learned in the midst of Love Sonia, the process, the filming, the kind of torture the girls go through. It's insane. And if you can contribute, if you could just be the voice and make sure that you work on that subject which reaches to not just the audience in India but all around the world. So that kind of gives me a lot of job satisfaction and a lot of pleasure that I'm able to change the society. There is a little bit change through my work. So I'm happy about that. And that's why my aim and objective is to make sure that whatever my audience, whatever I do, it's quite convincing. Because if I'm not convinced in front, behind the camera, my audience will not be convinced. So that's how
yeah.
it's very simple.
Yeah, very true, very true. As an actress, it takes and I have heard a lot of stories about your Love Sonia, but that you always used to say one thing that for people in television it takes little up character में चले जाते हो and then zoop, you're out of it after one cut, but you took almost 1.5 years to come out of it. So
Yeah,
yeah,
it was not easy.
fabulous job, fabulous
Thank
job.
you, my love. Look, guys, like when Rashmi appreciates you, I just feel like my day is made. Like I really have to
Yeah,
pull up
I
my
saw you
socks,
doing
make sure,
story also, and you are so
make sure that I do
natural.
100% for my next.
Yes, you should do more 1,000% now. And Mrinal, as I know your journey has been very interesting and difficult. It was not easy from TV to where you are right now.
Yeah.
I actually have with Rajiv Masani and Radhika Madan was there in that interview, and then I was just observing you constantly. And by the way, you looked awesome in that pink attire, which what you
Thank
were
you.
wearing that.
Style by me and
And
my friend Pranav. Hmm.
thank you. So, you, Kangana, and Moni, and Sushant Singh, you all have started your career from the television industry, and now you all have reached to a certain level. And I'm sure that इससे आगे भी बहुत अच्छा करोगे आप. But I have this one question: why do they say that the outsider? What does that mean? Outsider means what?
Nah, there's nothing called outsider, yeah. Outsider, I think after a film. if it is a star kid or if it is not a star kid, they all have to work hard after their first film, you know. So, Rashmi, I also
No,
believe that if
no,
I
but I agree with you. Star Kid and everybody has to go through the same process, but
yes,
definitely the journey is definitely different. I
different,
have,
yes,
yeah,
I
everything
agree.
is different. Maybe शायद I'm not saying that वो महलों में पले बड़े होंगे and they have everything in golden spoon available. It's nothing like that. Everyone
Right.
has their own different set of journey. But all I am saying is like you coming from absolutely non-filmy background and
Yes.
the way you and uh, the way you were working. I'm sorry, but it's very difficult, from nowhere to somewhere. Your journey is definitely
Yeah.
very interesting. It's not very easy, but still, somebody is saying like outsider. It hurts. I'm sorry. I think it's more
Yeah.
beautiful the
So
way.
I'll tell you how I look at it as. So every time when someone calls me an outsider and say that, you do get rejected. Like my first film was releasing and I had no clothes to, like no designer clothes to wear because they all rejected me saying that she is a newcomer, she's probably an outsider. I mean, I don't want to give clothes. And I was like, fine. We have Zara and H&M. I'm saving on my budget. Let's look at the brighter side. So then I realized that if I invest my energy in all these things, then I forget to focus on my work. And I think through my work is the only way that I can win people's heart, and audience is my everything, whoever, all the people who are watching me right now, all the people who would come to theaters to watch my film. I mean, hats off to them because, I mean, my target is to reach to the heart of the audience, not to get, this is all distraction, Rashmi. People would come and talk. So I just make sure that I stay away from, I also live in a very different area where, not many actors would be found, or it's not a filmy dunya, to put it in a way, so that, I don't get distracted. I only make sure that I go on set, come back, and just dedicate my 100%. Rashmi, also, I realized that when we shoot a film, it's that we are making
What?
history.
Sorry. Hmm.
When we shoot a film, it's like we are about to make history.
Right.
And today, when my mood is upset, if I'm upset over something, when that scene we watch on the screen, people are not going to come and ask what problems I was going through. People are going to judge me on the fact that if she performed well or not. So I have to make sure that I give my 100%. This is all distractions. So I keep telling myself that this is a distraction, stay away, Mrinal. This is a distraction, stay away. This is what you need to focus on.
Fabulous.
Focus, Mrinal. Yeah.
So positive and so focused. That is that I think so that helped you throughout the journey. I wanted to tell all the viewers that in 2015 she was the one who used to take me to the workout gym. Chalo gym
Yeah.
jate
Oh
hain. Every
God.
day she used to call me at 5 o'clock in the morning. I was like, oh God,
Morning.
actually gym jana hai. But she's the one
And
who
I used to,
motivated me.
one day I
But
used to drive you. One day you
yes,
used to drive me.
yes, yes.
So that was amazing. And
That
trust
was
me,
amazing,
Rashmi,
and that's amazing. You, I must say, that's amazing. You and yeah, it's definitely not easy. It's definitely not easy when it comes to a star kid. Uh, it's I find them that they
I think they're
definitely have
privileged.
some backup.
They're
Huh?
privileged. They are privileged.
Yeah, they are privileged. और थोड़ा हम भी बोल बोल के बना भी देते हैं. I feel.
Actually, हम भी उनका पीछा नहीं छोड़ते ना. Like normal audience also, they're curious to know what's happening in this star kid's life. I want to know. So I think I'm blessed in that case. Like I can step out of the house with tail in my hair and yet nobody is there to capture me. So I think I'm blessed in some way or the other.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And during this quarantine time, would you like to give some advice yourself or maybe to the world or maybe to whosoever is going to watch this live and who watching us?
Yeah, so I just how I look at quarantine as you
Mrinal, I think there's some issue happening from your there's a network issue happening. I can't see you.
I can
I
see
can't
you.
see you.
Oh,
Yeah,
I can see
yeah.
you, hear you
Now
properly.
it's a little blurry, so that's why.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is this better?
yeah, much better.
So I just want to tell all the viewers that the fact that this is the time where you know you won't get it again. First of all, you have to be safe, you have to be healthy, you have to be responsible because you don't want to be the carrier. You know, you might get okay and maybe your immunity is strong, so nothing is going to harm you, but it might spread to your loved ones, your dear ones, so just stay home. And this time, Rashmi, you know, we realized when I was prepping for my films, there was a time where I sat at home for 2.5 years. And
Yeah.
every day for me was the day that I'm spending today. It was like
Yes.
literally
And
quarantine
you were
thing.
completely in question that what is going to happen. Is it a
Yes.
right decision that I know that somewhere that
So,
in your head there were n number of questions and you were like sahi hai, galat hai, I should do this or no, or should I wait, or should I just move ahead, and there were a lot of questions,
yeah,
but
I was
yes.
depressed also, Rashmi. I was nervous, but all that I used to do is just go on YouTube and watch all the Grammy Awards and Academy Award winning speeches, which would
Wow.
make my day. And I would just hold the bottle like Kate Winslet, you know, she would just hold the bottle of shampoo. Like she said, I will hold the bottle of shampoo in front of the mirror. And, you know, she would practice her speech. And one day it happened. You know, every time the song Shallow from A Star Is Born plays, it gives me so much strength and it makes me feel like one day you would be able to make a difference. So that day is going to arrive soon, you know. So never give up, and I make sure that I make myself better. I'm working out, I'm doing face yoga. A lot of people don't know that face yoga.
No, even I didn't
Yeah.
know, but
Oh, you don't know about face yoga? So
what is
face
it?
yoga, yeah, so face yoga is something that, you know, we exercise full body, but we never exercise our face. So there are a
Yeah.
couple of exercises that you need to do. It looks quite funny, you know, I'm going to share it with you.
Yeah,
But you know, all you need to do is relax these muscles. You know, we frown a lot.
yeah, we
We
do this.
laugh, so we get, yeah, laughing line. You blessed with great skin, Rashmi,
Thank
honestly.
you.
So I do face yoga. I make sure that I work on myself. I'm going makeup less as much as I can so that, you know, my skin heals. Apart from that, I'm making sure that I'm spending a lot of time with my cat who we recently adopted. And I'm more, you know, spreading the message and awareness to people, the fact that, you know, it's better to go for adoption rather than buying, because, you know, every street animal deserves happiness. So if you
Yes.
can do that, that'll be great.
Yeah, and they're very
Also,
nurturing, unconditional love.
Rashmi, you have no idea. I am so happy right now because that cat, if I'm sad, if I'm nervous, if I'm happy, if I have anxiety, he would always be next to selfish, which I absolutely don't agree with because I believed that before, not anymore. But
That
all I want to say is, you know, there are a lot of negative messages being circulating all around. So guys, just don't do that. I mean, stop
just
that.
be aware of
Stop,
that. Yeah, I
yeah,
agree. There
stop
are a lot of positive.
circulating.
Yeah, yeah,
And my biggest
right.
tutor, I want to just thank my biggest tutor, YouTube.
Really?
Yes, so YouTube, I do my Kalaripayattu, I do my face yoga, I do my TRX, I learn yoga too. Recently I'm just learning how to skip. Skipping is something that I've been like really
Yeah, even I
juggling up
can't
with.
do it. It's very difficult. I tried 2, 3 times and I got hurt. My mother is like, yeah, बचपन में तो तू कर लेती थी आइसक्रीम, लेकिन मैं अपने बचपन में नहीं हूँ ना मम्मा.
Don't worry, yeah, I think all you need to do is just keep trying. You'll be fine. That's what I've been
But
doing.
that touch करके that touch is very oh my God.
I'll send you a
Gives you
video.
something in your body.
There's one skipping rope. It hit me on my face. I'll share it with you. I think I should share my epic fails with the audience so that they know that that perfect video is not that important. That epic fail is important, you know, which
Yeah,
gives you that strength to go
yeah.
ahead, go again,
Yeah,
you
and
know.
when you start doing it perfect, it gives you that high in
Plus,
life.
I ask me. Imagine as a
I
72 to 73 kgs when I started. Nobody knows this, but I was way healthy.
I thought that I don't know how much comfortable are you, but I have seen you. I have seen body transaction like before and after. I have seen different Mrinal, two different
Yes.
personalities. So yeah, I thought that I
Yeah.
should ask you. I should tell people or no because I was hesitating about it. Because girls are
No,
like that.
no, absolutely no. I am very blunt about my age and my weight. So I'm not like any other girl who would be like, don't ask me my age, huh?
Yeah.
You know? So I feel like, Rashmi, if you are not working, like suppose if there is a person, he's extremely lazy, he doesn't take care of himself. He or she doesn't take care of himself or herself. So why do you expect the people would love you if you don't love yourself?
I agree. That is the reason when I was introducing you, I said that वो खुद से भी बहुत प्यार करती है लेकिन खुद की खुद दुश्मन भी है. So that is the
I know
reason,
I
and
saw.
I'm sure that why people must be thinking that why she must have said that, because I know
No,
that
no, because
she used to
yeah.
push herself so much. She used to cross her comfort level. She used to come out of her comfort level and do things. And she is right. She was 73 when in 2015 when I started working out with her. She was
I
double
dropped
than
to
what she is right
54. Yeah, I
now.
dropped to
Yes. And the
54
way she
kgs.
worked on herself, she was so ambitious and she was so focused. And then she also had that, acha, main thoda sa kha leti. Acha, let's do a little bit cheat. Acha, let's do. No, but she was so disciplined in life. And that is the reason she is the Mrinal Thakur today.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember having a chocolate with me, Rashmi, and I had that one chocolate for the entire film shoot, and
Yeah.
I ended up eating that chocolate on the last day of my film shoot.
Wow.
So
Wow.
that's the control that you need to have.
Yeah, very true. So I really wanted to ask you this so even as a friend, I wanted to ask you that when you shot for the first time for your TV show and you shot for the film first time and first day,
Hmm.
what was the feeling? I really want to know. This is my last question, and then I'm going to ask you 5 quick rapid fire question, and then we are done.
Oh God, rapid fire gives me. Anyway, okay,
बहुत easy
answering
है.
your
It's not
first.
that difficult. Trust me.
Oh, I hope so, Rashmi. I know you. You've done your
Fun,
research. I
fun. Trust
bet.
me. And so I'm being very honest with you. Uh, people who really know you as an actress, people definitely don't know you who Mrinal Thakur is about their personal life. So yes, I really want them to know that how wonderful person are you. And those 5
Well,
questions, I'm sure that तुम्हें इतना difficult नहीं लगने वाला है because they are definitely very easy and it's my first live chat show. So yeah,
I am
you're
so
gonna
excited.
enjoy.
So, talking about my how was the experience in television and Bollywood? You know, Rashmi, trust me, when you stand in front of the camera and when they say roll camera, action, sound, I don't have butterflies. I feel like I was shitting my pants off. I was really scared because I had no idea what was going to happen. I had no clue if someone had my back or not. I remember there was a point where a director literally had his chair in his hand and about to throw at me because I was so terrible. But
Are
then,
you
yeah,
serious?
because I was not good, and I realized that the only thing to overcome this is by sitting in front of the monitor and observing other actors. While, people, what they do usually in between their takes, they just go and sit in their vanity. But I made sure that I sat right in front of the monitor and just watched. That's the biggest learning. No matter any acting school you go, it's not enough, it's not sufficient. You learn from experiences, you learn from observing, and observing is my biggest weapon. I think that's
Yeah.
something that I always keep in mind. Although, films are something where you have a lot of time to prepare. In television series, you don't get time. So immense respect to all the actors who working on the television platform. They wake up at 4 a.m., work out, reach on set at 6:30 to start rolling at 7 a.m. I mean, this is a luxury right now
Now
for
we
me
will
because
also. I just want to say
because
that.
yeah, because we have specific time to prepare for a role, which I think actors who performing on television platform don't have that. It's a leisure. It's a क्या कहते हैं? I feel like I'm happy, and the reason why I value it so much is because what I did was a big grind. It's
Yeah.
not easy. It's
It's
like a daily
not
newspaper.
a
You have to feed. Like right now, audience must be understanding that यार क्यों नागिन के episodes नहीं आ रहे यार. Now they realize कि actors की life कितनी hectic होती है.
yes.
So
They understand that it's not easy, and anyway, they understand now that the trend is also changing. Koi bhi show. Hey, thank you, Rohit Varma. Thank you so much.
hi Rohit. My God, all
He
your
just
fans are so lovely. They say I love you. Kabita
and
says I love
they
you,
are loving
Rashmi.
you, by the way.
Oh, so
So
sweet.
yeah, पहले होता था. Now it's little easy, not that easy for sure, but थोड़ा सा yeah, time
Yes,
limit
but
होता है.
trust
And
me, Bollywood has welcomed me and given me all their support. They always make sure that they respect the talent. Things are
wow,
changing, and
wow.
they always, if you are firm, if you are talented, and if you are focused, nobody can stop you. And only thing you need to do is just be professional. As simple as that.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest key for every
Yes.
success. Be focused and be disciplined. That's from Mrunal Thakur. That's what I've learned from you. And
Yeah.
be professional. Yeah, that I agree. And one
Whew,
more thing
comes.
I wanted to know that what is your relationship? Uh, is it something? Because I just saw your post with Kunal Tandon. So is it something going on and I don't know
Kushal.
about it?
Oh, Kushal. Yeah. Rashmi, trust me, I'm going to announce the world when I'll have the boyfriend. But one friend that I have, and I'm talking about
Yeah,
him,
because even
I don't
I
know
thought
why
that you
people are
are not
just.
a person who believes in hiding and playing hide and seek game. You're very open. हाँ है तो है.
See, Sulu and I, we are like, so Sulu is my lucky charm. I'll tell you why.
You call me
Because
you.
he's my lucky charm. I'll tell you why. Because
Oh,
the first time I ever spoke to him was right the day before I shot for Super 30, the scene where I'm shooting at the Ghat, and I was super nervous because it was my first scene with Ritik, and I was really, really scared. And here comes Sulu. He's like, "Tu faad degi yaar. You're gonna kill it. You're gonna nail it. So just go for it." And he's always been there. I was a very indecisive person earlier, but he helped me to take decisions and to think about. I feel like he's the my bestest friend ever. I mean, I really don't care all these rumors and all
okay.
going to be his best
Mrinal, your
man.
network is
Really bad. I can see you.
yeah, yeah. Now I can see you. It's better.
Yeah.
It's better, and
So,
you're looking very beautiful.
so I was saying that when it comes to Kushal Tandon, my main partner. That's how our friendship is.
Okay, so there's nothing happy happening. You're a
I
best friend.
wish यार
Because
कुशाल को मैं पसंद ही
yeah,
नहीं आती मैं क्या करूं
I can understand you.
Yes.
No, no, but I wish the best for you, and I know
Although,
that is
although Rashmi, Kushal and Mrinal have a thing like we don't prefer having our soulmates like boyfriend girlfriend as an actor. So that's the first criteria. Like whoever I want to be with, we will make sure that he or she, like my boyfriend wouldn't be an actor and his girlfriend wouldn't be an actor. So I guess
Chalo,
that answers your question.
one clarity is there that you all are not dating, you all are best friends. So
He's my bestest friend
no
ever
more.
for
Yeah,
life.
don't then हाँ तो फिर तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं बनता है. Then मैंने बोला there is something that I have not to ask. So yeah, let's start. I wanted to know a few things about you, that you're a religious person or spiritual.
I'm spiritual.
Okay. So does it really matter who's your hero and what is the cast of the project you're doing in? Yes or no?
Sorry, sorry. Does it matter? Who's
Does
the
it
hero?
really matter who's your co-star in your next film?
No.
Script is bigger or hero is better?
Script.
Oh, that's fabulous.
Because in Love
And
Sonia, I think. There were so many
Yes,
heroes.
I know. Then my next question was that only, that working with such bigger uh, actors in your first film only, Love Sonia, how was the experience? Do you feel that it's a very big responsibility or it's just overthinking?
Uh, when I worked with Demi Moore, I felt like I was overthinking a lot, but things got really easy.
Mm-hmm.
And the fact that you respect your own talent puts everybody in same space. So
Okay, so it's
just
overthinking.
surrender. Yeah, it's
Okay,
overthinking.
okay, okay. And what's your one secret that nobody knows? Uh, Only you know. The one secret, or maybe one anything it could,
Work-wise, or I mean, okay,
anything. That is very
huh,
specifically. I
there
said
are so
anything.
many people live. Rashmi, you want me? Okay, wait.
हाँ तो ये
Uh,
चीज तो बता
I'm
सकती है.
one secret.
Yeah.
Uh, I think I'm very stubborn. If I'm right, I'm right. I'm not going to. I mean that I don't think that's a secret. Oh, secret
No.
is shit, yaar. Oof, that's scary. This question is. I told you Rashmi is going to put me on the
I
spot.
think you're very good at coloring and you're fabulous dancer, but no one knows that you can do beautifully. You can do action also properly.
I can do
Like
action.
can be.
Yeah, I can do action, and I can also cut hair, like people's hair. I've been cutting my
Uh-huh.
family's hair.
That
Then
that
people don't know that I can do crochet work. People don't know that I can stitch clothes. People
okay.
don't know that
I
I
will speak
can.
about only one secret, my John.
Yeah, so there you go. There are so many. I spilled it over.
Okay, tell us your five fantasies that no one knows in 30 seconds. And your
Okay,
time starts now.
first is I want to be at the Eiffel Tower with my future husband, making sure that he makes it romantic. Second is I want to go on a date with Keanu Reeves. Third is I want to work with I want to work with Shah Rukh Khan, and I want to feature in all the films that he's already done. It's just that वो heroine को निकाल के मुझे डाल दो बस. Then
Wow.
the fourth fantasy is uh, uh,
Okay, jaldi
Hugh
jaldi last.
Jackman. And last one, oh my God, it's
Done. No,
only
you
sounding
can't do
about
it
men.
now.
Oh shit, I'm only sounding about men. It's so funny.
Yeah, I know how it feels. अरे shit, last वाला ही रह गया, but you can tell us anyway.
And the last one I'm absolutely crushing on is, there's this film that I saw, and I kind of fell in love with Leonardo, the Great Gatsby. I mean, that character. I'm not talking about Leonardo. I'm talking about Mr. Gatsby. And I was like, oh my God, I love this man. He is
Mm-hmm.
so. I think I'm a hopelessly romantic person. So when it comes to, I'm just waiting for my Prince Charming, and I hope he's as hopelessly romantic as I am.
He will be. Agreed. And I'm very excited to know who is he
You
or
will know
who is he going to
soon.
be.
I'm calling you after this live.
Okay. Then I think एक सवाल और बच गया है जो मुझे याद नहीं है. But I'll ask you personally
Yeah.
that what do you think? How am I as a host?
Rashmi, if I had to define you in one word, okay, that is Sherni. You're my Sherni. I think all the strength, like when I was watching Big Boss, I told my mother, this woman is never going to give up. She is the firmest lady. She's the cleverest lady I have ever met in my life. Doesn't really matter what problems she's going through, but she'll always make sure that she'll put up a smile and say that कोई बात नहीं यार कर लूंगी हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
She's that person. So I really, from my bottom of my heart, I just want to thank you, Rashmi, for not just inspiring and motivating me, but all the people who are watching you all around the globe. Because trust me, you don't know who's having a bad day. Your smile, your dedication in any field, be it be it your projects, be it your workout, be it the activities, you inspire so many, you inspire millions of them, and remember, every day you have anytime you have a bad day, we are there for you. So we
And I
die
think
to
the
see you
world
smile.
that journey was definitely not easy at all, and that house, puts you into a situation where you don't know what to do. I was absolutely numb for almost a month. But yeah, outside I had support from all my friends and from my fans, and I think that kept me going. That blessing was very, very important for me, and
Yeah,
then
we've been loved by so many, Rashmi. We are honestly, I feel really blessed right now. I mean, look at the
yes, and
people,
me too. That I
look at
know you are
everybody.
important, and I'm really, really happy that you're part of my life and so positive, you are, Mrinal. So positive. Please be always like, I see Rana. Never change yourself for anybody, anybody.
Yeah, never. Because Rashmi, I remember my second show, I got it because of my spot dada. Because he referred my name to a producer, and I was like, did he just do that? Did a spot dada get me a job in the television industry? Which was quite fascinating. So from that day, I realized that you have no idea. You just need to be nice. Nice things will happen. Nice things would happen to you.
Yeah, true that. I
Yeah.
agree with you.
Yeah, so Adam is here. He's saying
But
hi.
you're my rock
Ashay is
star.
saying hi. Anuj is saying hi. My God.
Okay, yes.
A lot of friends of mine are saying hi. They love you, Rashmi.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And I love you, Mrinal. Thank you so much. And I hope all the viewers, you really want to say something to our viewers that how to spend time in during this quarantine and क्या क्या करना चाहिए क्या क्या नहीं करना चाहिए क्या करो ना और क्या मत करो ना.
सबसे पहले ये करो ना कि बहुत बार हाथ धोना। दूसरी बात ये है कि नेटफ्लिक्स रहेगा हमेशा। बाकी सारे मीडियम्स भी रहेंगे हमेशा। अपने माँ बाप के साथ कुछ वक्त बिताओ। और ये बोर जो हो रहा है आपको क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि आप देखने के अलावा मतलब टीवी देखने के अलावा कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो। So just get out of that bed and clean your house because that house needs your attention.
Yes,
Your
yes.
family needs your attention. And when you walk out of this lockdown from from your house, you need to walk out ribbed and chiseled and fit, not fat. So
Oh, yes. That I agree with you. I'm also working on myself.
yes, I'm still waiting for your Surya Namaskar video.
Oh, I did work out today. I'll show you my little gym if you want to see. See the way I've kept things.
You are so organized. If you'll see my gym, you'll probably. Oh no, it's not that bad. Wait, I'll show you. There you go.
Oh,
I
oh,
got
that's
really
that.
lucky. I had ordered already lots of weights before the lockdown happened, so I'm happy that I have weights. But if you don't
I
have
do.
weights, you can just do sun salutations. I think that's just simple to use your body weight and just work on it.
And I'll
Couple of
send you
people are
the video
saying,
tomorrow for sure.
yes, please, I'm waiting for that.
I will. And please
Yeah.
share your all the failures video. Will be watching and tag me. I'll also share it with my stories.
Okay, there you go. I'm going to share it right away. Just don't laugh, okay? Oh, maybe it's okay, laugh. At least I
I
made you
think that
laugh. I'll
gives
be
us
happy.
that will give us something, some contribution to our life. So yes, thank you, and thank you, Renal, and
Thank you, Rashmi.
I love you,
Thank
and
you, Rashmi. You're
lots and lots of
inspiring.
you are. You know that you can heal people. You have that energy, and I've told you this in the afternoon also.
I
So
can't
please
wait
enjoy
for
yourself.
I can't wait to watch your other guests and all the very best for your this show. I'm happy that you're making the most out
It
of
was
it.
you first day, so I was little fine. But from tomorrow, the people I genuinely don't know from the different field. So then people will have more information about how to take care of themselves during this quarantine, how they can utilize this quarantine time. So yeah,
Yes,
so
please
with
do
you it
face
was very
yoga, very
easy, but I
important.
don't know from tomorrow how it's going to. Okay, I
It's
think I
gonna be
should
different.
just I should be the way I am. तो ज़्यादा तो it will just ऐसे हो जाएगा. Okay, now I'm nervous. Let's be honest. When I talk like this, it means I'm nervous.
You,
So yeah,
you're the
तो
best.
देखते हैं. Tomorrow is also very good uh, guest. I won't take the name. I'll put it in the story. You will get to know, and I'm sure you'll be you'll also have some
Wow.
good information, because it is all going to be about your body, about your diet, about what to eat and what is right and what will help you for your body. So
Oh,
yeah.
sweet.
Mm,
Well, I just want to tell all the viewers that, people should just eat a healthy Indian meal. I think we are just blessed, which involves
yeah.
everything. So don't go harsh on yourself on your diet, but just make sure that you work out and
Yeah.
smile.
See
Okay.
you.
See you, baby girl. Thank you so much for having me. Lots of love.
Thank you.
And
I
I'll
should be
tell you
the
my
one.
boyfriend soon.
Yes, 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 yes.
My mom is
Cool, I'm
looking at
calling
me like
you.
that. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. And
Okay.
bye.
Bye, my lovely.
Bye, darling. Bye. Okay, that was wonderful, awesome, Mrinal Thakur, the Mrinal Thakur. And I hope you all have enjoyed this live chat today. And see, the life of actors is not at all easy. She started her journey from nowhere to somewhere. She doesn't belong from any filmy background, but still, she never gave up on her dreams, on her ideas. She always had. She's fearless woman, and I must say she is a solid woman. So yes, आगे भी जब उनकी फिल्म्स आएगी उतना ही प्यार दीजिएगा. And I hope you all have enjoyed. Please leave comments, and any kind of question you all guys have, you can definitely DM me anytime. Bye.